Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Haji Ashraf bin Safazali. My matrix number is 01 DPU1A 1034, and today I will present to you about vector and scalar. Vector expression is a scalar quantity that is a physical quantity that has magnitude but no direction, while vector quantity is a physical quantity that has both magnitude and direction. So I'm going to talk to you about scalar. Scalar quantity has magnitude but no direction. So that means that every scalar quantity is one dimension only, and any change in scalar quantity is the reflection of the change in magnitude. So any mathematical operation carried out among two or more scalar quantities will provide a scalar only. However, if a scalar is operated with a vector, then the result will be a vector. So examples like speed, length, area, volume, time, mass, density and energy. So moving to vector, while vector quantity has both magnitude and direction, it can be 1, 2 or 3 dimension, different than scalar which they only have one. Any change in vector quantity can reflect either change in direction or a change in magnitude or changes in both. So that means that the result of mathematical operations between two or more vectors may give either scalar, which in bracket dot product, or vector, or we can say vector product or summation or subtraction. So the examples of vector quantities like displacement, velocity, acceleration, force and momentum.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Haziq bin Zulkifli and my matric number 01 DPU 23 F1036. What is operation vector? Extension of the law of elementary algebra to vector. They include addition, subtraction and three types of multiplication. The sum of two vectors is a third vector represented as a diagonal of the parallelogram constructed with the two original vectors as side. What are the operation of a vector quantity? Vector operation include addition, subtraction and multiplication. Vector operations are governed by a set of simple laws. In the article, we will study them with example. The two or more vectors can be ended geometrically but not algebraically. What is vector addition and subtraction method? The graphical method of subtracting vector from involves adding the outside of vector, which is defined as b. In case negative b equal a plus negative b equal r, then the head to tail method of addition is followed in usually way to obtain the resultant vector. Addition of vector is commutative such that plus b equal b plus a. What is the rule for vector addition? To add the vector x1, y1 and x2, y2, we add the corresponding component from each vector x1 plus x2, y1 plus y2. A concrete example, the sum of 2, 4 and I5 is 2 plus 1, 2 plus I, 4 plus 5, which is 3, 9. Parallelogram method. The parallelogram law of Vector addition is used to add two vector by making a parallelogram with the two vector as adjacent side, such that both of them have the same starting point. Then, the sum of two vector is given by the diagonal of the parallelogram starting at the same point as to the given vector. For example, parallelogram method produce. First, place the end of one vector at the head of the other. 2. Draw the resultant vector to create a triangle. 3. Solve for interior angle using trigonometry. 4. Solve for the magnitude of the resultant vector with cosine law. 5. Solve for the interior angle with sine law. And 6. Calculate the angle y the resultant vector make with the axis. Thank you.
Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Aina Ayuni binti Muhammad Roslan. My number metric is 01 DPU1A1035. Metric solutions. BC equal 3I minus J. CA equal FI plus 5J. BC dot CA equal bracket 3I minus J plus 0K bracket dot bracket 4I plus 0J plus 5K bracket equal bracket 3 times 4 plus bracket negative 1 times 0 bracket plus bracket 0 times 5 bracket equal bracket 12 plus
Conclusion. The conclusion is vector and scalar are very useful in our daily life and in engineering. A quantity that process both magnitude and direction is known as vector. Vectors being used in the